get them $200 for fucking nothing. Get this bud out there. Nah, yeah, if everything what y'all do, yeah, like it's gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna go through y'all. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Protect Philippe, back with a motherfucking banger. Oh, trying to strip. Can't get in the car with all this shit out. Coming with the video y'all been waiting for, man. Y'all keep seeing that goddamn check engine light. I'm just leaving work, so y'all gotta bear with me, man. About to give y'all a nice old cold start real quick. Ain't really that cold, cause I just got off lunch for real. We about to go see what's the problem with that right there. We need to go and goddamn get this motherfucker clean. Turn y'all back on when we get on this goddamn interstate. We're gonna fuck them up on the way to the shop. Then I gotta find a fucking ride to the crib. Doing a good 50 ball. 12 gear. For the code that we get, I think they gave us like a P108, some shit like that. We ain't just going for the code, we gonna go for everything. AC finally kicking in, god damn. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get to this goddamn shot. Let me see what the fuck they talking about, cause traffic kinda ugly and I'm trying to blow my blunt, so we'll be right back. Almost to the goddamn shop. We actually going to the minor key out here on Diamond Springs in Virginia Beach. I bought my last Challenger to these people. They gave me some good work last time, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this job there. There that motherfucker go right there. We ain't that far. Go ahead and see what's up with this goddamn check engine light, man, so y'all can get off my goddamn man. My auto start don't work. It's like when I start the bitch up, that shit start up for like 2 seconds and then that shit cut right back off. So we gotta get that shit fixed so I can give y'all some better fucking cold starts and shit, man. Shit crazy. Yeah, we almost there. Shit right there. All these goddamn cars and shit. But we there. Alright, we about to pull up in here. I'm gonna let y'all know what these motherfuckers say, man.
Filter is what's actually leaking on it, so you have to pull filter what's dumping.
2012 Challenger.
Yes, sir.
I got a diagnostic fee on there. That's what it's going to be. Okay. No, he's get through his dealer.
It's a secure one.
So he's going to take it back to them after he gets it, unless you're doing it through us.
Nah, yeah, if everything what y'all do, yeah, like it's gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna go through y'all.
You're going through us. Okay, so what's the name of the warranty company? I misunderstood. I'm sorry.
Never worked with them before.
Right.
Not that I remember anyways.
All right. And the keys to the car. Thank you, sir.
What you think today?
So
It should be later on.
yeah,
I'm gonna sit up here till I can find a ride.
okay. So you have
Yup. Yes, we gotta drop Bay off. See if I can get some more shit out here real quick. I don't know if it's gonna be all night like that, man, but we never fucking know, so go ahead and grab this shit out just in case. Nah, we'll get it later if we got to. Fuck it. get this bud out there. Gotta see what's wrong with the baby ghost, man. I'm about to sit in here, man. I'll turn y'all back on when I get me a ride away or something. Shit like you got some sense. Oh, look at him. You wanna hit it? Don't be hitting that shit.
What happened to your subframe, man?
Why? What you said that?
That's supposed to be straight.
Shit, might have came like that.
All the way across. That is heavy hit.
Yeah, I just got it last month. So that's why I'm trying to get all the shit fixed while it's still under warranty, you know what I'm saying?
They're not going to cover that.
Yeah.
That's impact damage. They're not going to be covered under a warranty. That would be more of an insurance claim.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right. Yes, sir. You too. All right. We back at the crib now, man. They just called me with some bullshit, so we gonna go back and get that motherfucker, man. They were gonna take it to somewhere else, probably another day. They basically already told me the shit that I already knew. I already knew it was some shit with the goddamn thermostat or whatever, because that's the code that I was given. So basically, I'm about to get them $200 for fucking nothing. Yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get that motherfucker. Probably get y'all a little bit of pools on the way back. Stay tuned, y'all. Like, subscribe, comment, keep rocking with me. We gonna get this shit right. Motherfuckers in the way. But yeah, stay tuned.
Oh, don't wait too long to get this taken care of.
Yeah, I know, man.
Because what we're suspecting is the lifters are starting to fail in that vehicle.
What's the lifters?
Lifters are what opens the intake and exhaust valves on the car.
Yeah.
They right on top of the cam. And what happens with those is the lifters will start failing and they'll start beating the snot out of the cam and then it'll wipe the cam.
Yeah.
And you need all
of that shit, yeah.
Then it gets expensive.
Yeah, then it really get
all
goddamn.
16 lifters and cam and yeah, it gets nuts. The camshaft and the lifters are listed as covered.
You think
items.
I need that right now? You
That's,
don't know till you pull it.
Oh, no, you pull it apart.
Yeah, but that's common on those, especially around this mileage.
Yeah.
It's very common on them. That's why we're like, okay, we're hearing the noise. We have random multiple misfires. We need to look at the lifters and the cams.
Yeah.
As long as it's not due to lack of lubrication, you should be Gucci. For this type of repair that needs to be done, if that's what it is, they did tell me that they would have to send an inspector out, and that'll happen within 48
here with
hours.
Christmas gift.
Business hours.
I was excited.
So that's a Monday through Friday type thing. So even if we tore it down today, we wouldn't see them until Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's like, and we have to leave this one apart.
Yeah.
And it has to stay here. So just
Yeah, I got another car.
Okay.
So yeah.
I'm just making sure that you're fully aware
damn right.
and know what to expect next time we come in.
Yes, sir.
Everything like that.
Yeah.
$5.65. Get you a gallon of that premium gas that thing takes.
Ain't do nothing.
I'm telling you, up New York or something.
Sign that.
Yep, sign there and there. You got your key, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just making sure. I was like, I had it sitting on the desk.
Thanks, man. I'll see y'all soon.
All right, buddy.
All right. Back in the motherfucking Charlie Wally. So yeah, y'all heard what he said, man. We gonna goddamn get that shit right or whatever. Just rent time right now, so shit. I know y'all understand that, so about a week, you know what I'm saying? We be back. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned with your boy, man. We on the road to motherfucking 1K. Let us get to 1K. Come on, man. I know we can get to 1K. Stay in the loop. We're gonna catch y'all next time. It's a motherfucking Friday where I'm from. So we about to goddamn get lit. Peace out. I was gonna let y'all get out of here, but I'm on a little ride, so let's get it. Get out of here. Can't give y'all something to go, you know what I'm saying? I don't never leave y'all like that. It ain't no nobody bring y'all no better SRT8 content, man. I promise y'all.